Hi everyone, for today's Outdoor Explorers I'm going to show you how to make this really easy bug hotel out of egg boxes. So first what you want to do is cut your egg box into little strips of egg box like I have here. They're all about 1 to 1.5 eggs wide. If you've just got a 6 egg box, it's best to just do 1 egg wide. Then what I'm going to do is stack them on top of each other. I've got 2 with closed ends and 1 that is open at both ends. So I'm going to put a closed end on the bottom, an open end in the middle and a closed end at the top. And then just with some sellotape I'm going to secure all of these together. So now I've collected some different types of materials from my garden that might make some nice different textures and types of habitats for insects to live in, and I'm just going to start stuffing them into each different hole in my bug hotel. Here we go, here's my finished bug hotel. In here, you can't quite see them, but I've got some stones, so a nice little warm, dry corner. There's some straw here, we've got some sticks, we've got some dark, dead leaves, we've got some grass that hopefully when it dries out and it sort of goes a bit dead, it will make a really nice nesting sort of material. And we've got like some bamboo leaves, which are nice, soft and long, that make another different habitat again. And I'm now going to go and find somewhere to put this in my garden. So I have found a nice little place for my bug hotel to live down the side of my shed. It's a little bit sheltered from the rain and stuff here, so hopefully it'll be a bit warmer and a bit drier, and a nice place for insects to live. So I'm going to check it in a few days' time and see if anything's moved in, and hopefully you can do the same with yours too.